Bella Bin's Chinese food kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you a spicy tofu or Mapo Tofu or Sichuan Tofu recipe. The main material for this recipe are medium firm tofu, then it's beef tenderloin, and PIXIANDOUBAN bean paste, and ground Sichuan pepper, and other ingredients are shown on this photo. First step, let's cut this beef tenderloin. Since it is still a little frozen, so it is very easy to cut it into small pieces. You can use beef steak or pork tenderloin instead of this one. After we cut this beef, and we need to let it to totally defrost it before we cook. Next step, we cut off this green onion white part. In this recipe, we only use green onion, the leaves part. Cut this green onion leaves part into tiny small pieces. Press these garlic cloves first. Then chop them into small pieces. Next, we open this tofu piece. Then we slice it into slices first. Then cut the slices into small cubes. The cubes are about 3/4 inch thick. Next, we add 1 liter of cold water into the Dutch oven, then add in tofu cubes in, then turn on the heat to medium heat. Then boil the tofu cubes before the water is boiling. You see, the tofu cubes are more tender in the texture, and the taste also very good now. Take out the tofu cubes before the water is boiling. Next, we heat the pan over medium heat. Then add in the oil. Then add in the beef pieces. Stir fry the beef pieces. About a couple of minutes until the beef pieces are a little brown color. Then add in the garlic pieces. Stir fry the garlic pieces about half a minute. Then we add in PIXIANDOUBAN bean paste. It's 1½ tablespoon of bean paste. Stir fry the bean paste with everything in the pan about 1 minute to let the taste of bean paste come out. Then we add in 1½ cup of cold water into the pan. Now we stir on the bottom. Don't want anything stick on the bottom. Then we add in light soya sauce. Add in sugar. Then add in tofu cubes. Stir tofu cubes. Let each one submerged in the broth. Then add in chili oil. I have a recipe to make chili oil in cucumber salad video. I put a link in the description below. Now we cover the pan and cook about 6 minutes using low heat. After 6 minutes, we open the cover. Wow, it's nice. That's the right amount of broth left. Now we add in liquid potato starch. Stir, and we turn the heat to high. Stir until the broth is thick enough. Now everything is well cooked. We turn off the heat and transfer the tofu mixture into a plate. Wow, the mixture looking so nice. This tofu is my favorite tofu plate. The official name of this plate is Mapo Tofu. If you don't like the hot taste, you can discard the chili oil. The plate is still very tasty. It is also very easy recipe, only a few steps. The last step, sprinkle with some ground Sichuan pepper and chopped green onion leaves. Now we finish the whole plate. Wow, it is looking beautiful, isn't it? This plate can be served with steamed rice or boiled spaghetti, spaghettini, or pasta. Like my recipe, don't forget to click subscribe as well as the bell notification, then you'll never miss any of my recipe.